Welcome to this introduction to TinkerCAD. At the conclusion of these videos, we will have made a small keychain. Before we begin, let's take a look at all the different menu items that you will need in order to make this. The first up here in the upper left, this is the copy button, and this is the paste button. We will use those to copy and paste shapes. You have your undo and redo buttons right here, in case you make mistakes and need to redo. Here we have the group, ungroup, and align. We will need these to ungroup and group our objects and align them so that they are on the same plane. This is your orientation cube. You can click on this to be able to go to different sides of your work plane. If you get lost in your work plane, this home button will always set you back to this orientation with the word work plane facing you in the lower left. This is your zoom in, this is your zoom out. Over here you have the shapes that we'll be using. You have a box and a cylinder. Now these are actually holes and not solid objects. So they will help us to produce the holes that we see in our keychain. Then we have the box and the cylinder solid shapes, and we have the text icon. Once you know how to use the shapes that we will use for this keychain, you will have enough knowledge to make very complex shapes of your own using these same tools. The next video, we will begin making our keychain.